no nail. So this is a common problem where you know you've got staples in your brad nailer and yet it's not coming out. So let's take a look at this and remove the brad nails. I disconnected the air compressor so it doesn't misfire by mistake. And when I first looked in there, I thought, well, there's nothing there, but then it looked like there was a long nail. You see that down in there. But that shiny piece is not the nail in that track. There's actually, when I hold it up, try and keep that tray thing out of the way, it keeps closing, and look in there. I'm going to point out exactly where that nail is jammed. And it's broken off a strip of nails and it's not moving. So sometimes you can just pry it out and sometimes you can't. So we take off the tip because there's an opening there where the nails fire through, and what we're going to try and do is just push that nail back and out if we can. And the easiest way to do that is to take another brad nail, single one, and feed it in there and wiggle it around and try and loosen that jammed one, because you don't want to do any damage to that inside track by just hacking away at it. So sometimes you can just wiggle it around with your finger, but that's sharp. So I'm going to grab some vice grips, little tiny ones, those vice grips, and use that just to wiggle it around like you're picking a lock and try and get that out. I just have to change position so we can see in there, and that I should probably have taped that flap that keeps dropping down, but I have to hold it up with my left hand while I'm wiggling it with my right. And I can see it moving down there, that jammed nail, and I'm trying to pry it out without being too forceful, which you can accidentally be. And yeah, so I just broke my nice little, that's my tiny little file, but that's okay. I can still see that it's loosening up, and I accidentally pushed it back in too far, so I'm just going to try and pull it back, and I can't seem to get that pulled back. But it just takes patience to try and wiggle it out, and I'm glad that's all it is, just a jammed nail. I can see that it's moving a little bit, so I should be able to just pop that left side of that jam nail up a bit so that we can see it. And there it is. See how it's kind of swung out a little bit? I'm going to touch it there and show you. There we go. There it is, stuck in there. And the head of it's still jammed. That's why it doesn't pop right out. So I'm just going to use my needle-nose vice grips, grab that, and then just gently twist and pull, and there we go. Out. So I'm going to put back the tip, and we're going to test this thing out. Okay, let's give this a try. There's one. that looks good. Let's check it out again, maybe just to see if that wasn't a fluke. Let's see if it'll fire another one cleanly. And there you go, success.